Welcome to our channel, where we explore innovative outdoor cooking equipment and techniques. In today's episode, we're thrilled to present the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. This compact and portable oven allows you to enjoy the irresistible taste of wood-fired pizza wherever you go. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering culinary adventure. Imagine being able to savor the authentic flavors of wood-fired pizza in the great outdoors. With the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven, you can turn any outdoor space into a pizzeria. Its compact design makes it perfect for backyard gatherings, picnics, or even camping trips. Let's take a closer look at the impressive features of the Solo Stove Pie. Made from premium stainless steel, this oven is built to last. Its double-walled construction and efficient airflow system ensure optimal heat retention and distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked pizzas every time. The innovative airflow design also helps to reduce smoke, making it a cleaner and more enjoyable cooking experience. Using the Solo Stove Pie is incredibly simple. Just load your wood of choice into the firebox, ignite it, and let the oven reach the desired temperature. The integrated temperature gauge allows you to monitor the heat inside the oven, ensuring your pizzas cook to perfection. The spacious cooking surface can accommodate pizzas of various sizes, and the ceramic pizza stone guarantees a crispy, golden crust. What sets the Solo Stove Pie apart is its versatility and portability. Not only can it cook amazing pizzas, but it can also be used to prepare a wide range of dishes. From baking bread to roasting vegetables, the possibilities are endless. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport, so you can take it on camping trips, tailgating events, or simply to a friend's backyard party. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Watch as we prepare a mouth-watering pizza using the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. The flavors and aromas will make your taste buds dance with delight. We've invited some friends to join us and share their reactions to this delectable wood-fired creation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor cooking enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of wood-fired cuisine, the Solo Stove Pie is a game changer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your outdoor cooking adventures with this exceptional portable pizza oven. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary